setting up the video edits for later on, so when I need them, I can just clip them out of this, clip them out of this. Shouts out to working and smoking at the same time, right? I be telling y'all better be active out here in these streets. It's 2024. We've been in the workbook since the end of 2023, showing the work. The answers are in the back, but you gotta go back to watch those answers. Yeah, you did. They don't do it all. I ain't gonna worry about it. We just gonna hit play all, because I know what beat I want to hear. Same thing from DJ is, not this one though. Although he's got some good dope beats, he got some good ones that are coming up too. There's some good ones locked up, so which one is this? What up, Izzy Pop? Sitting here putting together some video edits since I got some video edits I gotta put together. I'm coming in here trying to peek into what I'm gonna do for you. This one ain't for you though, but you know, we got one coming for you though. We got one coming for you. See the way Bart sitting here chilling to the beat though? You know, an 8-second loop, just keep it going. Or we can go a little bit longer though. You never know, because with YouTube they be on that BS. We find a different fucking video image though. See, then I'm giving y'all the sauce to the channels that I'll be reviewing at the same time. I ain't gonna keep giving y'all all this fucking game for free. Somebody better buy me a copy. Easy Pop did it already, so we gonna get somebody else to buy us a copy today though. We gonna find somebody out here with some dollars to support the content. What up, Bronze fam? Appreciate you for stopping through. See, it's 424 in this list. If y'all wasn't paying attention to that, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, see, watch. Homer won't even get on beat for you. Yeah, see, this is what I talk about. Make some videos, figure out, have a nice little sessiones. What time is it? Oh, we 21 minutes in, so I got about 5 more minutes. Then we gotta stop by my homie chat. Shouts out to the homies. Izzy, what you got popping today?